Anybody need a drink holder thing? Doesn't look like anybody's drinking.
Raise.
Let me get back to you on there.
For a while.
9,000. Call. Call. Steve call.
King Kong.
Raise. $52,000. Call for less.
Give me a second.
No, I didn't mean I would have gone with it. Somebody raised it to $60. That hand you
I'm all in. Thanks.
Main pot will be 23.
No shame in folding. She already called.
Side pot will be 30,000. Turn them up.
Ace of clubs on the flop.
Don't trip, don't trip.
The ace is covered.
River's good too.
Seven of clubs.
Let me get a pound.
10 of spades. All right, blinds are up now. 3 and 6.
Ooh. You can make the curse at home.
Regular cards?
I know, I haven't lost them.
No shit, man.
Nope. Trying to set me up for failure there, huh, buddy?
What'd you have?
I had sixes.
No kidding.
6,000. Oh, you got it. Sorry.
All in.
All in.
Yeah, just let me know. I think both teams are 4 right now, but one person on list, so I don't think 1-3 has.
Hey, my first final table.
Let's see. What? All right, I need a chip count on you guys. We got 20, 40, 60, 160, 75, 191 on seat 8. You.
40, 60.
20, 7. 127,000 plus the big blind, so it's 133,000 on seat 2.
You don't need everybody?
No, that's all I needed.
69 right here.
No, no. Count up to 20.
Oh,
And I had no
71.
change.
I just
I
needed.
didn't
I just
play.
needed.
She's like, I need them all. I need them all.
I'm tagging him.
I ain't playing around. No one chip rules over here.
All in.
Can I get a compass?
17. Call. Too fast. What do you need?
Have a good one, sir. I will see you at the cash tables. Very soon.
Could you keep your chips off that circle?
Yep, no problem. Sure can.
All in.
Thank you. Good call. Whatever it is.
Call.
31.
31. Call. Heads up. Chop it up.
Unless this
Maybe.
suits clubs. Spades. Spade. Oh my God. Well, you could overkill there. I don't think. Well, obviously, I'd do the same thing. Yes. Thank you.
Fine.
Good luck, table.
I'll get her for you.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. Good game. Well, yep.
Raise it up. 16,000.
Hey, Mo, real fast. If they get down to like 3 and want to chop it or something, let me know. I might have to play a few hands just to. Because you guys are kind of killing my video here. This is going to be the fastest final table ever, Wayne. Do something. Play slower. Damn it! I'm so close.
You gotta wait.
Hey,
There's one person to
we
blame.
start with the first letter and then it gets better from there.
There's one person to blame.
How can I not remember Walt? All I got to think is Breaking Bad, and like I got it. All right, I
Do I
got
need
it.
to wear glasses on my hat? I'm gonna raise
Raise.
25.
25,000. Heads up. Call. $25,000.
What? No way. Wait.
Make it be again if you want.
Uh-oh. Almost took out the camera there. Better watch out. Not looking good. Don't know my position or anything. What you might call a read type player.
Who? Nate? Raise it up, 18,000. Call.
Correct.
All in. 20,000.
No, I told him it's not easy to call.
Main pot. Check. All in.
Kings.
Damn, I would have won.
Me too. I couldn't have done it any better if I tried, but I didn't. So,
Whoop. Sorry.
whoa.
Sorry.
You're good. You're good.
You're big by yourself.
I feel like an asshole for getting the Kings, but it's alright.
What? Let me see your chips. 50, 60. 60, 80.
Yeah, can we get the payouts or what? Let's do this.
102,000. 102,000, Chris.
I ain't tripping.
Chris,
I came to have fun, and that's what I'm doing right now. How much do I got?
102. Rich. I need the payout. They want the payout.
Dude got paid though, right?
18,000.
Cubs hat. And the number
They
one.
paid 6, right?
The number one season.
They pay 6 or 7? Yeah, so 3 people got paid already. 18,000 raised. Call.
I'm a lefty. I like to shuffle. I might put my chips on the circle. I don't mean
No, that's okay.
any problems. Just letting you know.
I'm watching you.
I
They're
try not to do that, but it might happen.
No big deal.
I'll check it.
All right.
You got me. I got king high.
All right, so let's see.
That button. the payouts, you guys?
Yeah, I was Anybody want to do the math for four-way chop?
I don't know about
No, I
that.
just wanted to know what they
It looks
were.
pretty. It looks kind of weakish to me. Nah, wait. I won't rule nothing out. I want to see what you guys want to do first.
I want to play this out.
All right.
If I get out, you guys will.
Okay.
$18,000 raise.
Figure it out because I try to give those advice. Listen to his advice. Look for a girl. I almost would have been like, oh, he's going to do a lot better. I almost wanted
Could I ask what a four-way chop would be? Or well, I'll wait.
There's a little over 1,400 in there. There's a little over 14 for left. Right?
Well, this match, she doesn't want to chop, so don't even need to do the math.
I still can't ask even.
Yeah, there's like 1,400 left.
You can do the math, bro.
I'm just joking, man. I can divide. Man, that's what first place is?
Not bad for $40.
You're right.
Raise 20. I'm sorry, 26.
oh my God.
That's the way it goes at the CCGs, huh?
That's yours. These cards are thicker. Call.
Raise.
Raise it up. 26,000.
I knew that was coming.
Did you now?
Nice bet. I deserved it.
Lines up next hand. $4,000 and $8,000 next hand. Call. Raise it up all in. 17,000.
Sure you want to do it?
Main pack.
nothing.
Queens and nines. Thanks for playing. Good job.
What's the blinds?
So you'll be big by yourself, 8,000.
Dare I ask?
They just went up.
I know the answer. You ain't got an answer.
Call 8.
Check. Check.
All in.
Let's get a cup.
$171,000. It's not right. 1, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 181,000.
Can I see the payouts real quick, please? Third price, 270. All right, I'll call.
Call.
It's not right either, Mo.
Hold on. I'm sorry, we got 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91, 91,000. Turn them up, we'll do the math. Oh my God. Unbelievable.
You got there.
I feel so unsatisfied. Nice call.
Awesome.
Good call, man. Good call. You're right. You're right.
That was pretty sick.
That was awesome.
No, it was not, man. This guy is sick. No, I'm just kidding. He was right. He's right.
270. I only got the whole day.
He's only thought it was 180,000. Nah, he knew it was.
Heads up.
Can I see that in payouts again? Nah, I'm good. I'm good. I know I'm fighting for third.
So am I.
Yeah, okay.
I'm not fighting for first.
Yeah, but something's already
Raise.
That's all right.
34.
Well, we can all get second place money if we chop, but I don't think you guys want to do that, do you?
I'm always willing to chop. I'm not chip leader.
Yeah, I take that as an...
I just want to play.
26,000. Raise it up. All in.
Crap talent.
180.
So we got 70, 90, 100, 5, 70, 90, 100, 7,000. Right?
117.
50, 70, 90, 100, and 7.
Alright, we can wait for better stuff.
Yeah, me too.
Go ahead.
No kidding.
Not by a lot.
No kidding.
You know, being a jack doesn't help your cause and wanting to chop.
Oh, okay, yeah. Like I really needed that kind of help.
You just do whatever you guys want to do.
Yeah, I think the chop is, that ship is sailed. I thought the threes were good all day. I will do it again. Hey, ain't no chops going down now. Ain't no chops going down now.
I'll chop with any of you guys.
That ship has sailed.
Your small blind. He's first. It's 4,000.
Yeah, I'll call 8,000.
Hey, call. Call.
Whoa, I think I'm a little heavy there. On the reel. I already know what's coming.
I'll check. I'm all in.
All in.
How much is that?
He's all in.
I understand that. I call.
Queen 9. Awesome. 6 got it.
I think you got him. You got about 130. Yeah, he's got you.
Is he?
Yeah.
Wait.
Walt, good job, buddy.
Yeah, thanks, man. He really had it, huh?
Okay, you were just big, right?
Yep.
So you'll be small.
Are you glad you didn't tell?
Could say the same to you. But we'll find out about that soon enough.
You're under the strange impression that I actually care about the money. I just want to play.
You too, huh? Can I get a pound or what? No?
What? Oh, I didn't see it. I'm sorry.
Nah, you're good. You're good. I'm just messing. I came to play too, if you couldn't tell. I might put on a good show, but made it this far, and that'll work just fine. For me.
Raise 24,000. Call.
Check. $40.
Raise.
Count it up.
Oh, you're all in?
I would like a count, please, just because we're heads up.
No problem.
On the hand. Pull the 40s in if you want. Pull them in.
40.
Sorry.
$25, $45, $65, $85, $105.
Take her down. Nice hand, nice hand. Pound it up. Pound it up.
My peripheral vision is not very good. I'm sorry.
My focus is off a little bit myself. No chop?
Let's play.
Nah. I thought I'd ask.
That was good. I like that. Call.
That was meant to be a check.
Check. Check.
Check.
Check. Check.
40. You ain't never seen a call like that before, have you?
What?
With the sixes?
Oh. You see all kinds of crazy crap.
Me too.
Call. Check.
Check.
$25,000 fold. Blinds are up. 5 and 10,000. 5 and 10 now. 5 and 10.
I'll do it right now. It's pretty good. Looks pretty good. I would love to play this thing out with you, but I will chop it right now. It's up to you. Could you please? Hey, and I tip good too.
Thank you. The dealers will appreciate it.
I want to play cash. I ain't gonna lie. I want to go over there and win another. I want to win $1,000 over there. But I will play it out if you want. I know you want to too. I know you're thinking the same thing.
All right. What if we take $450 each and play for the last 100?
Deal. Wait. Yeah, deal. That's great. That sounds great. Yes, for sure. That's it. I wanted to say that.
Just so you know.
Well, we would just tell you guys we're gonna play.
Oh yeah. You're good.
All right, here we go.
10-minute break, everybody.
That's a gentleman's deal, right?
Yeah, I'm not a gentleman, but.
10-minute break. If you're not
No, I think
All right, we're 10,000 now, 5 and 10. Try and use the big chips when at all possible, please. Nate, you'll be first.
You almost caught.
20,000. Call.
All in.
All in.
Oh, I should have saved that bullet.
Nate, you'll be big, 10,000, please.
All right.
Raise it up. 30,000. Call.
I'm gonna go righty on you. Check.
30 again.
30.
Yeah, it is.
All in.
Call.
Oh shit. Good in. Let me buy you a drink. Alright, we ain't done yet. Alright, we're gonna play it out. You gonna make me suffer? Yeah, I got you right where I want you.
120. 126. Twenty-four, 60, 80, 1.
Taking on.
$20, 40, 60, 81.
Give me 400, send me on the way.
26.
Nope, not quite.
20, 40, 60, 81.
15, 16, 20.
21. Oh, then you got him. You just barely got him.
Yep.